America's favorite TV mom, Florence Henderson, will join us to talk about a new procedure that saved her eyesight. The whole procedure only took 15 minutes, and she could see clearly immediately after it was done.
More than 20 million adults over 40 in the U.S. are living with cataracts. It's the leading cause of blindness.
Join us today to talk more about her own personal struggle with this condition and what Americans can do to protect themselves is TV's favorite mom, Florence Henderson. Good morning, Florence. What was happening with your eyes that caused you to have them checked out and ultimately have surgery on them?
I called my eye doctor and I said, you know, something's wrong. I'm not seeing well enough. I went to the eye doctor and he said, yes, you do. You have a cataract. Cataracts, you know, are very insidious. They can be very slow growing. And I just noticed that I was seeing things getting blurry. Just thought I had something in my eye, and then I got so, you know, things were blurry. And he said, well, you're a candidate for this wonderful lens called Crystal-Lens. When they removed the cataract, they could put it in. It was called the Crystal-Lens. I said, well, what's so great about that? He said, well, it will enable you to be able to see up close, intermediate, and distance. And I thought, wow, sign me up. I had this surgery, which was so simple. I mean, it was like 15 minutes. I was awake for it. They talked me through it. It was painless. The results are just, I can't tell you how ecstatic I am. And I got the Crystal-Lens, and I tell you, Marianne, it's a miracle. I must say, it's unbelievable. Hi, I'm Florence Henderson. More than 20 million Americans over age 40 are believed to be living with cataracts. By the time we're 65, a large percentage of us will develop cataracts. I had a cataract recently. I couldn't see street signs, and my vision at night was not very good at all. As you know, I'm very active and I work and travel often. So I put things off, but when the blurry vision was making me uncomfortable and I even started getting eye strain and headaches, I decided to talk with my doctor. He told me about the Crystal-Lens. When he told me what I could expect after the Crystal-Lens surgery, that I would be able to see near, far, and everything in between, I said, wow, sign me up. He said the Crystal-Lens not only treats the cataract, but also corrects the full range of vision. The surgery itself was simple, easy, and quick, and I didn't realize what I had been missing. Colors were brighter, and my vision was clearer and sharper than it has been in a long time. Now I drive during the day and at night, and that blurriness that used to bother me is gone. I can now read, I can see across the room, and my overall vision is much, much sharper. When something works for me, like Crystal-Lens has, I like to share my experience. I do that to empower, inspire, and motivate people to take care of themselves. My experience has reminded me to share with everyone how important it is to get regular eye exams. It's up to us to protect our eyes and our vision by paying attention to how we're seeing and, of course, by visiting your doctor. For more information, please visit crystallens.com. Thank you.